I was in pretty bad shape. It was hard for me to breathe. Uh, my oxygen saturation was really low. It was a rough time for me when I first arrived at the hospital.
Mr. Sullivan was admitted through the emergency room fairly quickly because of his supplemental needs on oxygen. At that point, that was when he came to the attention of the I-SPY team.
It allows for the exploration of several new drugs at the same time to facilitate the discovery of new drugs that can help patients with severe COVID pneumonia who are requiring a lot of oxygen and are in danger of having respiratory failure and death.
So when I first approached Mr. Sullivan, there was conversations of if he progressed on the trend that he was on, there could have been a possibility of being intubated and being put on a vent.
That was my main concern. I had to deal with the same thing almost a half a year ago, losing my mother to the same thing in the same place. So when they said ventilator and heated oxygen, I tried to do everything, follow all the instructions and do whatever I could to make it.
This is an early phase study. So it is very important for our patients to know that they're going to get increased monitoring and scrutiny to make sure that there are no unexpected side effects or harm that is occurring with these drugs. In addition to the additional scrutiny that's happening at our center, all the data is being relayed in real time to an independent data safety monitoring board.
A community hospital, typically, we're here as your first basis for diagnosis, and we hope for treatment as well. But being able to compete with those larger institutions by offering this cutting-edge clinical trial, it serves the patient. He responded so well to the Aviptidil treatment that he made a complete 180.
I was grateful. You know, I have a big family. I have a lot of children, young and older. So I told them whatever that they could do, I would be willing to try anything just to make it back out of that.